New light sources are required to light the path toward the society of tomorrow. Society 5.0, in which smart technologies are applied throughout society, from mobility to manufacturing, to improve people's lives. One such light source is the Photonic-Crystal Surface-Emitting Laser, or PCSEL. This laser, developed at the Center of Excellence for Pixels at Kyoto University in Japan, is expected to supplant conventional lasers and revolutionize the world.
In fields requiring high-power lasers, the conventional types of broad-area semiconductor lasers, gas lasers, and fiber lasers are mainly utilized. However, each of these lasers has fundamental issues which act as bottlenecks toward application to smart mobility and manufacturing. The key to removing these bottlenecks is the PCSEL, that is the Photonic-Crystal Surface-Emitting Laser, which we invented in 1999.
The PCSEL is a new type of semiconductor laser that gets its name from its embedded photonic crystal, a two-dimensional structure periodically arranged on the order of the wavelength of light, and its ability to emit light from its surface. Owing to this artificial structure, the PCSEL is capable of emitting a much higher quality beam at a higher power than conventional semiconductor lasers. The difference between the beams of PCSELs and conventional semiconductor lasers is easily observed in experiments. Unlike conventional semiconductor lasers, whose beams need to be reshaped and focused by external optics, the PCSEL emits a circular, tightly focused beam directly from its surface and completely unassisted by external optics. This feature is extremely attractive for lidar sensors, which act as the eyes of autonomous robots and vehicles. By taking advantage of the inherently high-quality, tightly focused beam of a PCSEL, the size of lidar sensors can be greatly reduced, and their resolution can be greatly enhanced. One such PCSEL-based lidar sensor has already been applied in a demonstration of automatic guided robots. Another distinguishing feature of the PCSEL is its high functionality. By tailoring the design of its photonic crystal, it is possible to customize the direction in which the beam is emitted. By integrating multiple such PCSELs onto a single semiconductor chip, fully non-mechanical beam scanning can be realized. Similarly, the photonic crystal can be designed to emit beams with customized patterns. This feature is also attractive for lidar sensors. By integrating beam scanning PCSELs with a PCSEL tailored to illuminate objects with a broad flash of light, a new type of sensor that combines the advantages of flash and beam scanning lidar is realized. With this flash and scan lidar, a black object, for which sensing by flash illumination alone is difficult, can be selectively illuminated by the beam scanning PCSELs and have its distance measured. The benefits of the PCSEL extend to smart processing applications as well. A PCSEL capable of emitting a continuous, powerful beam of light has been developed, and the application of this single-chip laser to the surface processing of metals has been demonstrated. PCSELs capable of emitting beams of even higher powers are currently under development. A recipe for scaling the emission area for higher power operation has been established, according to which PCSELs with beam powers ranging from 100 watts to several kilowatts will be realized. At the Center of Excellence for Pixels, researchers are working toward further developing the functionalities of PCSELs using artificial intelligence and quantum computing, and toward developing PCSELs with various wavelengths in cooperation with companies. Through such developments, the reach of these compact yet highly functional light sources will extend even further across smart society to lighting, optical communications, and even inter-satellite communication and light propulsion for spacecraft.
The Center of Excellence for Pixels is now establishing an ecosystem for expanding PCSELs and the related technology globally. We hope that the PCSELs will be adopted all over the world in the near future.